Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to see all your company's computers on one dashboard with live screens in under 5 minutes. So if you're a small or medium business owner or an IT service provider looking for a quick monitoring solution for your client, this video is for you. Maybe you don't have time for complicated setups, remote tools, or long configurations. You just want to see what's happening on all companies' PCs right now. You want a simple dashboard where you can see every live screen so you immediately know who is working, what they are doing, and if company devices are being used correctly. With Wolfeye Remote Screen software, you can connect multiple computers and watch all the screens live from one central dashboard without interrupting your employees. In this video, I'll show you how to install the monitoring client on a computer. Then I'll show you how quickly new computers appear in your Wolfeye dashboard. You'll see how to view all computers, all business computers in a live overview. And I'll show you how to open any screen in full size in real time directly from the dashboard. Of course, always make sure to follow the laws in your country for your specific use case and to inform employees where required. This video is technical tutorial, it's not legal advice. So also, if you would like a personal live demonstration for a company, you can book a free demo session. I will show it to you in a minute on our website, wolfeye.de. So let's begin. Wolfeye Remote Screen is a small piece of software that you install on each of your company's computers. I don't know, in less than a minute actually. I wrote here in the video 5 minutes, but I will demonstrate it. It's maybe a minute or so. You install it and will receive, after you install it on each of the computers, you receive this dashboard here, what you're seeing here. And this dashboard, this is the demo dashboard, of course. Yeah, that's why the password is displayed here. If you install it on your computers, of course, you set your password, it's not displayed here. So that's a demo dashboard. It's a dashboard. And the dashboard, you notice, you open it on a browser. You open it on a browser. Browser means that you will be able to access the dashboard from anywhere, from your remote computer, from your laptop, even from your smartphone. So that's the dashboard you receive. You log into your dashboard, log in, and when you log in, you see this screen. So in this particular case, Wolfeye has been installed on 5 computers. So you see 5 live computer screens. On each of these screens, you see the live screen of that particular computer. So this is the live screen of computer demo 1, it's the live screen of computer demo 2, and so forth and so on. This is a demo, that's why you only see these pictures, but in reality you will see the live computer screens as if you were sitting in front of it by yourself or besides by yourself. That's how you see. And what means live screen? How can I explain it? It's like a screenshot every 2 to 3 seconds. So you have like a small delay of 2 seconds or 3 seconds. You have the option to change the column of the grid to 2 columns so that you see bigger screens on this dashboard, or to put it on 3 columns so that you have a better overview over all the computers at the same page, so to speak. Also, if you wanted to take a closer look of one of these particular computers, let's say this, you read live. So that's not left mouse click, but right mouse click on live and open in a new tab. And you will be able, a new window opens and you see the live screen in a big format for that particular computer. Yeah. Also, if you wanted to monitor or to review what has been done in the last hours or in the last 2 days, you see for each of the screen this history link. So if you wanted to check the screenshot history of that, for example, for this computer, you right mouse click on history, open in a new tab, and the image gallery, the screenshot gallery opens. So it's a screenshot. This is, of course, again, the demos. That's why you only see a picture, but it's a screenshot made for that particular computer and saved every 5 minutes. A screenshot is saved, or every 1 minute, or every 10 minutes. You set the interval by yourself. Yeah, so that is what you will get. So if you would like to install and try it out with a remote screen on your company, just try it out for free. come to our website wolfeye.de, and I will show you how to install it, how quickly it is. And you can click this button that says Start a Free Trial. And here you can book a demonstration, a quick demo session with me. It will be with Google Meet, or we can phone on WhatsApp, or we find a way, but will be a demo session, and will be probably, that's most easy thing, Google Meet or WhatsApp or whatever. Even Teams is the possibility. And you select a date. You always will have the option to select the same date for a demo session. Select the time. You enter the name, the email, enter your phone number, and how many computers you would like to monitor with Wolfeye Remote Screen. And in this demo session, what will happen will be the following. Wolfeye will already be installed on my computer, and I will give you access to my dashboard so that you see in live my live screen on the dashboard. And you see exactly what you will get if you wanted to try Wolfeye and install it on your system, to try it for free with it for a few weeks. Yeah? So that's the first step, that you get access to my dashboard and see my live screen, because here I was only able to show you, so to speak, this demo screen that you also can access. In the next step, if you wanted, we can install Wolfeye Remote Screen on one or two of your computers. So I send you the download link, and I will show you in a minute how quick it is installed. In, I don't know, in 1 minute you will see it. And I guide you through the installation process for one computer or two, for how many you want. And this guidance will allow you to quickly set up Wolfeye by yourself for your remaining computers, because it's very, very easy and very fast. And that's why I show you right now. So I sent you the download link, and the download will be this file. It's a Wolfeye setup file. You double click it, and this install shell opens. You hit install, and it's installed. Then you hit finish, and Wolfeye Remote Screen opens. Yeah. So very, 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 very fast. And last step is basically that you set up Wolfeye Remote Screen by clicking the green button that says Share Screen. It turns red and it's already sharing the screen. And by clicking the Stealth Mode button, you hit the button and Wolfeye Remote Screen goes into stealth mode, hides itself also from Task Manager, and will be restarted in the background every time the system is restarted. So the computer is being monitored. So come to our website, book a demo session with me. I'm very happy to get to know you. See you in the next video.